Hi students, let's take a look at your assignments here in week 7 of ESOL 054. Make sure you are always checking my course announcement that tells you what I'm expecting this week. And to find this week's assignments, you're going to click on Content, Course, and then you'll move down on the left to Learning Modules. Make sure you're going to Module 2, and you absolutely must click on week 7 to be able to see the links to the readings and my full instructions. Here in week 7, you see that you have access to all of our readings for this week. You can just click on the links here. I also have them included down in the assignments where they are needed. Okay, so look for those. Again, this week you've already built background knowledge, and I hope you've been working on How It Feels to Be Colored Me by Zora Neale Hurston. And then after you're done with that, you will move on to Maya Angelou. Okay, so just walking you through. Here again is the background knowledge discussion board. You started in class in week 6 for Hurston. This week you're adding one interesting fact you learned about Maya Angelou as well. Remember, you'll click on that discussion board and you will reply specifically in the post I created. So for Maya, you'll click on my post and you will reply to my thread. Okay, so that's number 1. You know that you have this interactive learning tool for the Hurston reading, How It Feels to Be Colored Me. Walk through that. There's nothing you have to submit for it, but it will help you, as will this vocabulary list for the Hurston reading, which again can be found either by clicking up here in week 7 or in the discussion board assignment found here that we talked about in class. Okay, so again, if you click on the link, it will either pull it right up or it may download. You may need to download the document to your computer. Okay, so work on that. Let me know if you have questions. Here is the Maya Angelou handout. And again, just one more time for How It Feels to Be Colored Me. When I click on it, there you go. You get the reading easily for that one. For Angelou, I think you actually have to download the excerpt from the reading. Here's the worksheet for Maya that you're completing. So you'll download that to your computer, just as you will do the same for this reading. As you can see on my computer, it popped up right here. I need to open that excerpt. And here it comes, so that you have access to the specific words of Maya Angelou that I want you to read for this week. You have your vocabulary to add, some questions to answer, and don't forget about prayers for the stolen. Those are your assignments for this week. Please let me know if you have any questions, okay? Thanks.